guys that your girl has secured a deal with Ikea. So we are collaborating with Ikea. Their new conceptual store has opened up in Whitefield, and it also has a barn house as well. So there's a lot of sustainable architecture that is going outside, and this new conceptualized store, I wanted to take you guys and show you guys what's different and what we can find in Ikea. Yeah, I'm kind of excited to see what's there, and next I'm heading to the barn house. So let's go to the barn house and check it out.
Namaste, my name is Harish Mikuri, founder of Essensai. This is my son, Somsekhar. Yeah, he co-founder of Essensai, and he helped in the development and construction and now leasing of the space.
Yeah, and something that's beautiful is that we're going to talk about the concept of Ikea, as well as this is the first sustainable retail store that Ikea has come up with.
Yeah, I think, I'm sure Ikea can tell you more about their store, but as a space, we are probably, in terms of sustainability, the most sustainable retail space in the world. Everything done here the purpose of it is to interact with nature, to understand how to use nature fruitfully without having to dump it everywhere. Yeah. So for example, the bricks that you see, they are converted from our soil. So instead of landfilling, we do that. We have enough water resources, space to store water for up to 5 lakh liters. We completely treat the water into potability. So everything over here is driven about the long-term usage, because our purpose always is to increase the value of what we do in the long term, not in the short term. It's not just to make something that looks truly beautiful. We want to stress the point that when you think of sustainability, you anyway make it truly beautiful. It's not a compromise at all.
And do you want to say anything about this
Sure.
development?
This was actually, by God's grace, this was our spinning mill.
Okay.
Instead of tearing it down and rebuilding, we decided to build with nature. All the trees around are over 30 years old. So we built with nature rather than against nature and tearing down. So most of the plants and trees that you see have been in existence as is, as they are, for since I was born. More than that.
Essensai is, how old is Essensai?
So Essensai is a new company, but the structure is more than 30 years. Yeah. So it looks new only simply because it was very cleverly developed using all the elements that are from this land.
Okay. Very nice.
And more projects that we can look forward, and any projects you want to tell to the vlog people which are very exciting?
Oh, we will definitely reveal more and more with
Yeah.
good time. Right now, we're concentrating on this. Again, we are creating this as a community space. We have a schedule of brilliant artists coming in. This is going to be a space for retail, wellness, and conscious effort to be part of nature. It's a no smoking zone.
That's
Where he is
amazing.
performing on
the
Diwali.
In the
In our
amphitheatre.
amphitheatre.
We have a beautiful
Amphitheatre.
amphitheatre.
Really?
It's a better
We need to see.
Behind there is a space.
Huge, yes.
It's huge. Oh, that means I haven't seen anything
No,
right
you're
now.
still very far from completing.
Oh, okay. Now that means I have to go inside and check it out.
Backside, I think from backside we can go.
I'm so excited. I'm so glad I
Pleasure
met
to
you
meet
guys,
you. Pleasure.
and I can't wait to see more projects.
A little
Hopefully.
project of ours is right behind Barnhouse.
Yeah.
Okay.
The best food, I think, in the world.
Of
I'm a
course.
trained chef, and Dad's passionate about food, so
Is it?
Barnhouse as well.
Oh wow.
Wait, this is like so many new things coming out.
It's a great place. We'll have about 15 F&B spaces,
Okay.
retail spaces. So it's basically for the neighborhood and community to come, get together, have a great time, be conscious of what we are doing. So for us, passive smoking is as dangerous as
Yeah.
normal smoking. So that's why it's a no smoking zone.
Yeah.
It's very convenient. You come, the car park, though it's free, will start getting charged, but it includes value car park, and you're brought inconveniences. There are many things that's exciting for our neighborhood.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
so
Nice
much for
meeting
being
you.
here. Pleasure is ours.
Pleasure.
We'll go
Can't
around
wait
and
to
see.
Check out your food as well.
Well, I think we're open 11 today, right?
11. Yeah.
So I'm so excited to tell you guys about Bangalore's new cultural hub that is opening up for East Bangaloreans. A little bit about the brand Essensai. Especially I was so drawn to their name, about the brand name Essensai, which was a blend of essence and sai, which was paying homage to divine energy, and the number 67 was actually a local significance that is derived from the pin code of the area. Architecturally, I feel like they have hit a benchmark because they are thoughtfully designed. But moreover, I'm so excited that this retail space has more for us. Like brands like, Milk Bar as well as Milano and Badmash are coming up. They are also gonna have an organic mandia and a wellness studio for yoga as well as dance classes as well. I'm so excited for what Essensai 067 has for us, and I think you guys should go check it out as well.